Thanks for tuning into Real Young Outdoors.
All right, everybody, we are just pulling in here to Town Lake, or Lady Bird, here in downtown Austin. It's May 26th, Memorial Day. We're going to do something a little bit different today. We're going to do a challenge. I only brought 3 rods with me. I'm going to be tying on a frog, a swim bait, and a punch rig. And you know, those are 3 techniques that I'm not super strong on. Don't have a lot of confidence with them. I've caught fish with them before, but definitely haven't thrown them a lot. They're not my go-to. I didn't bring a single crankbait today. We're gonna get set up, get out on the water, and get going.
And I fumble. Boys, I've been drinking for days. Well, I stagger and I fumble. Boys, I've been drinking for days. And the reason I'm drinking, my woman got some low down ways.
Had to just get my confidence up real quick. Had to get a fish in the boat. I cheated already with trick worm. Okay. But hey, gets the stink in the boat, gets the challenge going, right? Just got to get that confidence up. Fish. Nice chunk of a fish, just shy of 15 inches.
Now it's time for the Real Young Outdoors Conditions Report. Brought to you by Hill Country Pool Service, servicing the Texas Hill Country.
Wonder if that'll make her. Just touches too dark, but I'm sure that comes with the fact that it's such clear water right now. Another 14 and a half. Certainly not a big one. So long. Cool. First frog fish of the year. Masticated it right on the edge. Sweet. Frogfish. That was cool. Look at that thing. Choked it. Nice. It's a nice fish. Here we go. That's a better fish. 17 and a half. Okay. Well, there's a nice fish right there. Let's see. I'd say that's about, I don't know, 2 pounds. Get her back in the water. It's a long fish.
Now it's time for the Real Young Outdoors Tackle Box. Brought to you by Ditch Pickle Baits. Relish the taste.
Better fish indeed. There we go. There's a fish. There's a better fish right there. That's just shy of 19. Right there on the frog. And there it goes. All right, it is about 3:30. Been pedaling for, I don't know, at least an hour now. Coming from where I started, or where I ended, I guess. I think today was a pretty good day. I caught something like 7 fish. I'm not 100% sure on how many exactly I caught, but I'm sure you'll know by now after watching the video. It'll be a fish counter. No, I achieved my goal partially. I caught some fish on frogs. I threw the large swim bait, didn't catch anything. I kind of threw the punch rig sparingly. Didn't catch anything, no bites there. Did have my emergency rod, which was the wacky rig bubblegum zoom trick worm. I caught a few fish on that. As things kind of warmed up and the storm stopped, I caught a few fish on frog. Either way, I caught fish using a technique that I'm generally not super confident with, and now I feel pretty good about it. It's a good time. It's always a good time at Austin. I thoroughly enjoy this lake. There's just big fish. There's just fish in general, and it's fun. It's a fun place to fish. A lot of techniques you can try. You're kind of thinking about something, you can bring it, and it'll probably work. So yeah, work today. Catch you guys later. Thanks.
Thanks for watching Real Young Outdoors. Please like and consider subscribing. And check out some of our other videos.